Stonebridge at Longwood offers a unique combination of natural beauty and convenient location in Kennett Square. Perched on elevated land, the community provides scenic views while being just minutes from downtown. The community features sidewalks on both sides of the street for easy strolls, a dedicated preservation area with open fields, wooded areas, and a stream sits just across Thompson Road, complemented by a walking trail that runs the length of the community. The location balances peaceful living with accessibility. Kennett Square's vibrant downtown offers over 30 restaurants, annual festivals, and amenities like grocery stores just 2 minutes away. You'll enjoy convenient access to the region's best destinations. Longwood Gardens is just 12 minutes away, while Painters Crossing Shopping Center can be reached in 20 minutes. Philadelphia International Airport is just 45 minutes from home, making travel a breeze. Additional conveniences include the nearby YMCA, summer camps, and the Kennett Square Polo Club. Stonebridge at Longwood provides an ideal setting for those seeking a quiet residential atmosphere with all the benefits of Kennett Square and the surrounding region. It's a place where you can enjoy natural surroundings while remaining close to everything you need. Build your dream home at Stonebridge at Longwood.